Okay, darling, tell me, how much alcohol do you drink?
Occasionally.
Occasionally, but your breath smells like regularly. Ay, nako, don't fuck with me, ha? I've been working here for 30 years. You think you can kid me like that? What do you think I am? Body with you? How much alcohol? Hello, sir. Why are you screaming?
Where's my fucking
Oh, you want
nurse?
your packing nurse. Well, your packing nurse is packing busy. How about you packing weight? Huh? What do you need?
I want an ice
Ice
chips.
chips. Oh, don't you have 2 legs? Why don't you use it? Okay, sweetheart, let's take your medication.
Who are you? Where's my stupid nurse?
Your other packing nurse. Well, you packing kick her out, no? So I'm gonna be your packing nurse now. Take your medication or don't. I'm not the one who's dying if you don't take it. Take. Okay, so what brought you here today, darling?
I slipped on a cucumber, last night.
A cucumber went in your ass. You sleep on it. Well, we will start by putting a IV on you. Okay, let's start this. Oh, why are you screaming?